Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you could do your very own slow-mo edits for Musical.ly. If you guys don't know exactly what I'm talking about, here's an example right now. So that's basically what the slow-mo edits are. It's basically where I put some edits on the slow-mos. It's not just a regular slow-mo, but there's some edits on them as well. For this video, I'm gonna be teaching both my iOS and Android users. So to my peeps right now, better keep watching because I'm gonna teach you all how you could do that as well. Before we get started, be sure that you are subscribed to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know down in the comments because maybe you'll win the next shoutout for my next video. So now, let's get started. So we're gonna get started first with my Apple user. So if you're an Apple user right now, better keep watching. And if you're an Android user and you just want to skip through the Android part, then I'm gonna put a time frame in the description for you guys to click on so it could take you where the Android tutorial starts. And yeah. So to my Apple users, you're gonna need a few apps. And those apps are the Musical.ly app, as always, like hello what this, the iMovie app. You're also gonna need the camera app because we're gonna be using them right now. And also, you're gonna be needing the VideoStar app. Oh wait, you might think that, oh, I have to pay for something, or I don't know, like something like that. Well, that is incorrect because today I'm gonna be showing you guys free ways on how you could do this, and like I got you, my fam. And that's pretty much all of the apps that we're gonna need today. So let's go ahead and get started. So before we do anything else, the first thing that we should definitely do is find a song that we want to use for this transition. And once you found the audio that you want to use for this transition, you're gonna be clicking on the bottom right to the audio, and we're gonna be clicking on post video because what we're gonna do next is that we're gonna be filming a private, and we're gonna save that private to our camera roll. That was hard shake right now. Okay, so just press on next and click on save private. And once you save it, you're gonna be clicking on your privates and go to that private right now and click on the three dots and click on save. Once it is done saving, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna be actually filming the Musical.ly. Definitely go ahead and click on your camera app because we're gonna be using that to make a slow-mo. So once you get into the camera app, you're gonna be going to the slow-mo option, which is this one. And now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be placing your phone somewhere steady, either a table or if you have a tripod, then use a tripod right now. As always, before you start recording, make sure that you hold on into your screen to hold on the brightness and the focus of the camera, because you don't want your camera to be autofocusing while you're recording. So make sure that you hold on your screen until you see the yellow box, which is right there, and it should say to the top that it is AE/AF log. And now I'm gonna be filming my Musical.ly. I'm just gonna do whatever just to show you guys how this works. Ready for this? Oh, it went to the trash. And I'm done filming. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be going to the iMovie app right here, and we're gonna be clicking on the plus sign right here and click on movie. And basically we're gonna be selecting two videos right here, and those two videos are the ones where we filmed the slow-mo, and the second one is the one where we saved the audio, which is this one. Once you selected on those two, just click on create movie, and you're gonna get into this page in which we could see two of our videos right here. So once you have those two videos in, what we're gonna do first is that we're gonna be taking the audio from this video right here. So we're gonna be clicking on the clip right here, and we're gonna be clicking on detach and background. Once you got this green bar at the bottom, what we're gonna do to this video portion of this one is that we're just gonna be deleting it because we don't need it anymore. Before we start editing this one right here, what we're gonna do first is that we're gonna be muting our video. So just click on the clip right here and click on the volume option in the middle, and we're gonna be sliding this all the way down just like that. This pop socket keeps falling down. So once you got your video muted right here, what we're gonna do now is that we're just gonna be editing it, and we're gonna be matching the slow-mo with the audio. So right now I'm just gonna find the part where I started lip syncing for the Musical.ly, which is right here. I was like, ayo! So depending on where you want to start this video, you just click on the clip right here. And for this part right here, we could just delete this one because we don't need it anymore. So once you got this part in the beginning, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna be clicking on the clip right here and click on the speed option next to the scissors, and we're gonna be clicking on reset because we want to set our very own slow-mos right here. So before we do anything else, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna be flipping this video because right now it is square and we don't want that black bars on the sides. So what we're gonna do now is just get your two fingers, and we're gonna be rotating this just like that, and we are set to go now to finally pick our slow-mo part for this Musical.ly. So for my video, I want my slow-mo to start right over here, probably because you know that's when the popcorn booped my head or something. So depending on where you want to start your audio, we're gonna be movie, we're gonna be pointing that white line right there, and we're gonna be clicking the clip right here, and we're gonna be going to the speed option, and we're gonna be clicking on add. So now you should see that this two yellow lines separated right here, and for this part right here, that's the one that we're gonna make it into a slow-mo. To make this into a slow-mo, we just drag this white circle right here at the bottom left all the way down, just like that. And now that means that our video is in slow-mo. So let's watch what we have so far. The popcorn went like boop. So we are pretty much done with our Musical.ly. So once you think that you are done with your Musical.ly, the next thing that we're gonna do is that we're gonna make sure that we don't have any extra clips at the end. As you can see here, this is where the audio ends, and we have a lot of video, like, oh no. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna be cropping these extra right here. So you're just gonna click on the clip right here, and we're gonna be clicking on the scissors and click on split and delete. Now we are officially done editing our Musical.ly. But wait, we don't have the cool edit thingamajiggy yet, but that's okay, because we're gonna be doing that in VideoStar. So once you're done editing, just click on done on the top left, and we're gonna be clicking on the share bottom in the middle, and we're gonna be clicking on save video, and as always, put it on the highest quality possible, and for me that is 1080p, so just click on that, and it is now exporting. And now it's actually done. Real good. So once it is done exporting, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna be moving on to the next app, which is VideoStar, to add our effects and all of those great stuff. So now let's go ahead and go to the VideoStar app right here. And once you get into this page, we're just gonna be clicking on the plus sign right here, and we're gonna be clicking on edit video, and we're gonna be selecting the video that we just exported from iMovie, which is this one right here. If your video shows up like this, just rotate it until you get the right rotation and click on make video. Once you get into this page, we're gonna be clicking on new right here, and we're gonna be clicking on re-effect clipped. So if you've never seen this page before, this is basically the page where you can make the effect on your videos, and that's pretty much it. So as I scroll down all the way until the end, as you can see here, I have a lot of presets already, and this is pretty much where I do the effects. Basically, I just go like that, like really blurry right now. Or for this one, I basically could change the filter and stuff like that. But today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you could make your very own. So we're gonna be clicking on the plus sign on the bottom right, and we're gonna be clicking on the search bar right here. And if you guys want, you could experiment with this and play around with the effects that they have here for free, because they have a lot of free ones on here. Even though you didn't pay for the effects, there's still a lot of effects they have here. So for me, whenever I do that thing where like it gets bright and like it gets more colorful and the saturation just goes all the way up, this is basically what I use. I use glow. If you search it up, it's gonna show up right here at the bottom. So just click on here like that. To add the effect on your video, I basically just go back right here, and I'm gonna be clicking on re-effect, and usually at the top right here, as you can see, it says either 1 times or like half times. Basically, I put it in half. That's basically the speed of the video while you're adding the effect. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be adding the effect to our video, and as you can see, my video is really dark, so it's not really gonna work, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it anyways. What you're gonna do now is that you're gonna be clicking on re-effect right here at the left, and as the music plays, you're gonna be sliding this all the way up or down depending on the beat of the song, and just watch me do this right now. Just like that. Like, you know, it's like DIY DJ or something like that. Like, what's up? But yeah, on this video, it didn't really work because it's really dark in the room and like you can't really see. But on my shirt, you can see it pumping like real good. And this is how our video turned out. So that's pretty much what we have so far, but I feel like we're missing way a lot of effects. And I'm gonna be showing you guys the other ones that I'm using for my videos usually. So if you guys want to add more effects, just click on new again and click on re-effect clip. And as you can see here at the bottom, it's already selected the ones that we just used. So just click on edit right here and go in the search bar right here. And we're gonna be typing in new stuff right here, which is the wiggling thingy-majiggy. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you're gonna see that effect. It is called wiggle. So just click on wiggle right there and it should show you at the bottom right here. So you got the wiggle right here, but it is not moving yet because we have to do the effect, and we basically gonna be doing the same thing where we listen to the song, and when the beat of the song comes on, you just do the up and down just like the DJ thingy-majiggy. So just go back right here, and we're gonna be doing the DJ thingy-majiggy right here, like boom 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 boom. So I'm gonna do it right now and just keep watching. That's basically how we're doing it, y'all. Like, hello, what this? You see that? It's like it's pumping, you know, with the beat of the song. It's so nice. So we basically have 2 effects so far, and I'm gonna show you guys a last one that I usually use on my videos, which is the blur. So to do this again, just click on new and click on re-effect clip. And guys, I know that you could do like a better blur than this one that I'm about to do, but I'm just using the free ones that I have because I didn't get the paid ones yet. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it for free for now. So just click on edit right here, and we're gonna be searching a new thing right here. So just click on the search bar, and so we're gonna be searching for focus. So focus right here, and there's 2 of them. Just click on the first one right here, and it should take you to the focus effect right here at the bottom. And as you can see, we could do the blur thingy-majiggy, but it looks weird at the moment. But we could actually change how our blur looks like. So we're gonna be clicking on the arrow right here, and once you get into this page, we're gonna be clicking on the bottom left, and this is like the blur that makes it look like you're spinning or something like that. So this is like the ones that I usually use. And now we're gonna be adding this effect to our video. So watch me right now. DJ boy, so far we have this one. And that's pretty much how I usually edit my videos. Once you think that you're done adding effects, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna be closing the video right here, and we're gonna be closing it again, and we're gonna be saving this video to be posted on Musical.ly and show it to the world what we got. So we're gonna be clicking the share button right here, click on camera roll, and it is done exporting. So once it is done exporting, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna be going to the Musical.ly app right here. And once you're on the Musical.ly app, we're gonna be clicking on the plus sign right here. And we're gonna be clicking on the thing right here at the bottom right. Then we're gonna be clicking on the video that we just exported from VideoStar, which is this one. So just press on the check mark, and we're gonna be clicking on next again. And if you want, you could add filters on this one as well. Just sliding it like that would be nice. And once you found the filter that you want to use, just click on next again. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own... Did I just click post? No. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own slow-mo edits and stuff like that, then be sure to put in the hashtag #SkySfam so I can get to watch them, and I'll be so excited to see them. I'm gonna wait for that right now. So that's basically how you do the slow-mo editing majiggy, and I hope this video really helps you guys. And if it did, then please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and that'll be amazing. And also subscribe if you haven't, because you know, why not? Now we are officially done teaching the Apple users how to do it right now. And now it's time to move on to my Android users. If you are watching me right now, then what's up? Wanna learn the trick right now? I got you. So to my Android peeps right now, before we get started, you're gonna need a few apps. And those apps are the Musical.ly app, the camera app, the Like app, and this one is optional, and that is the Videoshop app. And if you guys want to download those apps, I'm gonna put a link down in the description for you guys to download them. And yeah, once you got all of those apps, then let's go ahead now and find a song that we want to use for this video. So just go to your Musical.ly app right now. Once you found the song that you want to use for this video, we're going to be clicking on the bottom right to the audio. Before we click on post video, there are actually 2 ways that you could do this. One is that you could film this on the Musical.ly app itself, so that means you don't have to use the camera app for that, and you just have to add effects later on, which I will teach you real soon. Or the other way that you could do this is that you could film a private right now and save that private, and then you go to video to Mp3 Converter, then you convert that video into MP3, then you go to Videoshop, and then you add that audio to the Videoshop app, then you add that audio to your video in the Videoshop app, and that's pretty much it. I actually showed you guys on how you could add your audio to your videos for Android in my spin transition tutorial video, so if you guys want to see how I exactly did it, then you could watch the spin transition video, and I showed you guys there how you could add your audio to your video using the Videoshop app. But for this tutorial, I'm just gonna show you guys the easiest way, which is by clicking on post video and just doing the slow-mo from the Musical.ly app. So now let's go ahead and click on post video, and let's make some Musical.lys using the Musical.ly app. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be putting your phone on a steady place like a table, or if you have a tripod, then use that right now. So for me, I'm gonna put it right over here. I don't know if I'm the only one, but whenever I do a slow-mo on this Android right here, it turns out so laggy and so slow. I don't know why. I think it's just my phone. But when I tried this, what I did is that I filmed it normal, and I just pretended that it was going in slow-mo, if that makes sense. So like when the beat drop, I was just like doing like and it kind of worked. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now, because if I film in slow right now, it's gonna show up as really laggy. So for me right now, I'm just gonna film it in normal just to make it look like it's normal, if that makes sense. Then on the slow-mo part, I'm just gonna do like, you know, like whatever like that, like doing poses. Oh, it's so laggy. I look like K-pop right now, like Jungkook right now. Okay, so once you have your musically done, then just press on next on the top right and click on save private. And now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be adding some effects on our videos, so it would look like, you know, it's like for sassy thingamajiggy. So once your private is saved into your privates, just go to your privates right now, and we're gonna be clicking on that private that we just filmed, which is this one. And to save it into your gallery, you're just gonna be pressing on the arrow on the bottom right, and we're gonna be clicking on save. And once it is done saving, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna be moving on to adding some effects to our video. To add some effects, we're gonna be using a new app right here, which is called Like. It's basically the same thing as Musically, but this app right here has way many more effects that we could use for our video. And if you guys have the Like app already, then you should definitely follow me, because my username right now is Life with Erick, and you'll find me easily 24/7. So once you have the Like app, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna be clicking on the video option in the middle bottom, which is this one, and we're gonna be clicking on From Album. Right now, just go ahead and find the video you just saved from Musically, which is this one, and we're gonna be clicking on next right here, and just click on next again. It says cutting video, like cut at you. So as you can see here, it shows you a lot of great effects that you could use for this one, and for us specifically, we're gonna be using the effect next right here. And as you can see here, you could use so many effects on here that, you know, it's gonna look like real good and stuff like that. So let's play this video right now, and let's find the part where the drop comes, because on the drop, that's where we're gonna add the effects that we're gonna use. So just click on play. Oh, I stopped right before the drop. So as you can see here, we have a lot of effects that we could use, and I think I'm gonna be using this one. It's called Trippy, because it looks trippy, you know? And to use that effect, you just hold down into it, and then it's automatically gonna add it to your video, and you let go of it if you are done adding that effect to your video. So I'm gonna do that right now. Then I think I'm gonna add a different effect right here, and I think I'm gonna add the other effect, which is called Spooky, because, you know, really spooky right now. I'm just gonna hold on into it. Yes, you see like moving like that, you know, like what's up my peeps, there's so many. So far I have this on my video. Let's watch this. Ah, okay. Once you're done adding effects, we're gonna be clicking on the check mark on the top right. Oh, real nice. I like that. So once you're done editing your video, you could just go ahead and click on post. Or if you wanted to save as private, you could just click on this one, and it's gonna automatically save it as your private. And it's also gonna be saving it to your gallery. So just click on post, and it is done saving the video. So once you're done doing that, we're gonna go ahead now and post our video to the Musically app. So just go to the Musically app right here, and we're gonna be clicking on the plus sign right here to add our video. And we're gonna be clicking on the bottom right, and just select on the video that we just exported, which is this one. As you can see here, we are popping like real good. So just click on next right there and press on next again. And if you guys want, you could add filters on this one. And once you're done adding your filters, if you want, just click on next again. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own slow-mo thingamajiggy real cool stuff, then make sure that you put in the hashtag SkySfam so I can get to see you guys' videos, and that would be amazing. So that is how you do the slow-mo with effects on Musically. And so I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you did, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, as always, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know that in the comments, and I'll try to answer them. If you have a Musically and you don't follow me yet, be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all my social medias, in which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay? Okay. Bye. This love is holding us, but are we gonna make it?